What's up, guys? So we're about to go to the beach.
Just got here. Probably gonna film a few videos of the beach, and then what the fuck's wrong with that guy?
Dude, I have no idea.
What music is that? Jesus Christ! I wish you guys could hear this.
Yeah, this is really something else. The water looks great today. It looks beautiful.
Yeah.
Should be a nice beach day. Then after this, we're gonna go hit a workout at my house.
Yeah, there's a dock over there. We're probably gonna jump off of it. All right, see you guys in a bit.
All right. So we just got to the beach. We're just gonna walk around. Sculpture or something.
Dude, we could.
We could seal these. Should we bring them to my house?
Yeah, we'll make like plates out of them.
Oh yeah. We could just like lift them up and...
Yeah. How much does that rock weigh? Like,
it's close to like 1,000.
geez, this is the most action I've gone outside of my house in a while.
Yeah, I know. I mean, screw coronavirus. Like, we're having fun going to the beach.
Coronavirus, dude. Oh, guys, a little update on Maeve. She just actually went to China. I heard from her. She thinks it's safer down there, actually.
Look at that. That is beautiful. Yeah, that water looks pretty cold. I don't know. It's pretty nice outside though. There wood?
Maybe we can, dude. What if
Dude, there's so much wood there.
Guys?
We could build a whole gym out of that house. Alright guys, so we decided to head out of here. It's getting a little late, so now we're gonna go hit a workout at my house.
Yeah.
And hit a little back day.
The new Gymshark Alpha League collab.
Oh wow.
That's why I'm wearing it. It hasn't come out yet. You hit 9 with me almost falling in the background. Guys, I almost tripped over this and just fell down with the whole thing right in front of me. Every time I put this on, it's harder.
That's good.
Yeah.
We're trying to get fat, everyone.
That's the goal, guys. Quarantine, you just keep on bulking all the way through summer, because why cut now, you know?
We can just look like shit.
Exactly. I'm doing my first one this year.
I mean, I'm hitting PRs like all. How many was that?
That was 8.
8?
Yeah.
Even I did more than you, Patrick.
Well,
What's going on?
I'm gonna save it.
Okay. Again?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Oh, Patrick, what happened?
Oh god. So I was deadlifting and I got attacked by a bear midway through. And
Does it hurt?
yeah, I mean, a little bit. I have a lot of adrenaline rushing through my body. I was pulling, you guys didn't get to see this. I was pulling 700 pounds. No wraps, no belt. The weights are off now. You don't have to show them. But this huge bear just came in Benny's basement and clawed me all over the place mid-lift. And I just pulled it all the way. And then I fought the bear. And I won. Now he's dead outside.
So guys, we just hit some deadlifts. I just hit some PRs, some sets of 9 at 405. Now we're gonna hit some rows, just some barbell rows, and then we're gonna hit some biceps to finish it off. And that should wrap it up for today, so stay tuned.
Up next, we're gonna do some wide barbell curls with some reverse curls to get that forearm too. Last set of curls, guys, and then we're gonna do a little physique update, and then I think we're gonna go eat some chicken. Only problem is we're actually gonna have to hunt this one down, kill it, and then cook it. So guys, how's everyone doing?
I'm doing pretty good. Just finished our workout, ate some dinner, some chicken.
Wow, that's so entertaining.
Shut the fuck up!
Shut the fuck up, Bob.
Oh my god, I have to do my phone call. Where's my stuff?
So we're trying to film a video right here, but
Shit.
my mom is in the background just causing a scene.
Whatever.
So I'm sorry.
I don't
Shut the fuck up!
Shut the fuck up.
So, anyways, we hit some back today. Really good workout.
I got 3 sets of, actually 2 sets at weight and 1 set of 10 on deadlifts.
I actually hit a PR today with 3 sets of 9 deadlifts.
Sorry guys, I
That was
can't talk
pretty
right
good.
now because we had to hunt the chicken for dinner, so it was tough. It was pretty rough.
Yeah. We actually we went out in the wild with our hands, see, and we just, the first chicken we saw, we like ran after it, got like a golf club, and then we just like beat it.
The neighbors called the cops, so we were gone by the time they got
Yeah,
there.
we just like wrapped it up in like a trash bag and just like carried it like over our backs. Like,
This was similar to how we took the wood from that guy. Well, he
yeah,
gave it
and
to us.
and
He
we,
gave
we
it to
actually
us.
got the wood, so
Yeah.
the bench is underway.
We're gonna show you guys a little clip.
And just now we got our bench, guys.
Yeah, it's gonna be done tomorrow. We're gonna hit some tests tomorrow. So I got a phone call the other day from Maeve, and apparently she's in China.
Oh, right.
Did
right.
she tell you that too?
Yeah. I was talking
isn't
to her.
that weird?
She was texting me, threatening me, as always.
She was threatening you?
Yeah, she threatened me.
Shit.
Yeah, she told me she was gonna come and contaminate my family.
Oh my
not
God.
yours, yeah. Anyway, yeah.
Well, I mean, hopefully she doesn't contaminate people in China.
Yeah. She told me
You know,
she wants to. Yeah, she's going
Like
back.
she
to
told
China.
us that she wants to kill us.
Yeah, multiple times.
Yeah.
She's probably gonna eat cookies the whole plane ride. We went to the beach earlier.
We did go to the beach.
Yeah, we stayed there for like an hour, right?
Yeah, got a nice tan.
Well, in reality, guys, just so you guys know, I didn't actually fight a bear. What happens is every time I deadlift for some reason, I like catch my knee and like, and then like I just end up like cutting myself, and then I just bleed, and then I get it on the bar, and then Benny throws
And
up.
we just wipe it off, and I throw up. I do my set.
that's how it kind of goes.
Deadlifts are rough. I'd say that's the roughest lift.
They're pretty rough. We're probably gonna.
I actually have an idea. We could hit chest tomorrow and then hit legs the next day and squat 405.
We're gonna make a video, guys. We're gonna squat 405.
Yeah. And that's going to be the first time loading 405 on our squat rack.
And
Patrick actually almost broke it today.
As I was going back, filming Benny, trip on the rack.
He almost
the
fell
whole
on his
thing
ass.
shakes. Catch myself, holding the camera still. Got a really good angle of Benny deadlifting. Kid just starts cracking up, but
I still
didn't
got
fall.
9. Now we're going to go eat some ice cream.
Yeah, now we're gonna go grab some ice cream, guys. We gotta hit like 4,000 calories today. That's what we're trying to hit. We should drink some Coronas on this channel.
Should we?
Yeah.
All right, let's go drink some right now.
All right, guys.
All right,
So
guys,
we're gonna take a beer break.
We actually have to go. So we're going to take a beer break. And we'll be back in a few days.
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed our video.